Hey everybody, welcome to today's food party. We're going to show you how to make croissants. Okay, first preheat the oven. Now take the croissants out of the package like this. Pop that little thing. Unroll it. Slap it on the pan like that. And there you go. Now we're going to unroll these just like this. You want to get to separating them out. Pull them apart. There we go. Oop. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Oops. Start at the bottom, the white side. And you roll till you get to that little tip. And voila. Make it a little crescent shape. Pinch the little ends. And there you have it. Finish rolling out the rest of the dough and then place it in the oven for 9 to 12 minutes or until golden brown. Once it's done, this is what you have. These lovely, lovely croissants ready to eat. Hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already subscribed to the Food Party channel, please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you so much. See you guys next time.